Namah.
Hello, welcome to Adit 11T YouTube channel. This one is HP U81 motherboard. Okay, in this motherboard, problem is when we connect DC supply, adapter light on. Okay, but when we try to switch on, it's not getting on. You can see no light, no fan is spinning, and DC supply doesn't take any ampere, only fluctuation 0.0102. okay, when we press power switch. So today I am gonna show you how to solve this type of issues. Okay, first of all, I would like to tell you, in this board everything is okay, nothing is short. Okay, means PCH is good, CPU is also good, graphic chip is also good. Okay, nothing is short. Okay, so first I am gonna show you what voltages we are getting in this board. Okay, this one is 3 volt 5 volt coil. Okay, first I am gonna show you 3 volt 5 volt is generating or not when we press the power switch. Okay, coil number PL22 and PL21. Okay, now open is schematic, and so see, this is a schematic. Okay, now PL21. Okay, see, this is a PL21 of 3 volt coil, and PL22 5 volt coil. Okay, as we know, DC jack light is glowing, means 19 volt is okay. Okay, so what we check in this IC, first we check its LDO is generating or not. Okay, pin number 6 of PU11. Okay, and pin number 6 of PU12, both LDO we are getting or not. First we check this. Okay, pin number 6 of both IC, 1 2 3 4 5 6. See, pin number 6. Okay, of this 3 volt coil, see, we are getting 3 volt LDO. That's okay. Now 5 volt LDO on another IC. See, 5 volt LDO. That's also good. Okay, both LDOs are good. Next, what we have to check, see on schematic, as we know on this board 19 volt. Okay, LDO is also good. Now we check its enable line, pin number 13 of PU11 and pin number 13 of PU12. Both enable are same, S5 on and S5 on. Okay, pin number 13 and pin number 13. Now we check we are getting 3 volt here or not when we switch power switch. No, when we press power switch. Pin number 13 of both IC. Okay, pin number 13, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Pin number 13 is connected with PR148 register. PR148, 13, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Connect. See. Now we press power switch and check enable is coming or not. Okay. Now press power switch. See, enable is coming and gone. Okay. Again, no enable is coming. Only one time. Okay. Again, I off the DC supply and on. Now again I'm gonna press power switch. See on a multimeter. When we press, 3 volt come and gone. Okay. It's not constant. Okay. Now we check on this coil. Supply we are coming or not. When we switch, press power switch, see 3 volt is coming on coil and gone. Okay. Now the 5 volt. Let me reconnect the adapter again. Okay. See, 5 volt is coming, having constant. Okay. 3 volt gone and 5 volt both gone. Again come, gone. Coming and going. Okay. It's not constant. So now what we check? We check its IO requirement. Okay. In this board, again I told you PCH is okay, CPU okay, graphic chip okay, both BIOS are also okay, and this IO is also good. I am gonna show you the voltages at IO what we are getting. Okay. So in this board, IO number is U15. IO number is U15. Control F U15. Okay, this is the IO. So what we check in this IO, just always follow the basics rule. Okay, what we have to check in this IO, we check its basic requirements before switch on. Okay, like NVS on. Okay, and DNBS on, means pin number 19 NBS on, pin number 90 DNBS on, pin number 37 EC reset. Okay, and one more pin in this board, RSM reset. Where is RSM reset? RSM reset, huh? See, 95. Okay, pin number 95 RSM reset. Okay, so first we check NBS on. As we know, our board is getting on and off when we press power switch, means our NBS on line is okay, we can say that. Okay, so I am not going to check this NBS on, I am just going to check this DNBS on, EC reset and RSM reset. Okay, so pin number 37 is EC reset. Okay, so now let's check pin number 37. Pin number 37, 1, 32, sorry, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. See, on pin number 37, EC reset 3.3 volt, it's good. Okay, it's okay. Now what we check? We check DNBS on and RSM reset. DNBS on is pin number 90 and RSM reset is pin number 95. Okay, pin number 90 and 95, 64, 65 and 96, 90 and 95. No, this one is 90. This one is 90. Okay, now let's switch, press the power switch. 3 volt coming and gone. Okay, 90 means DNBS on, means 3 volt is coming and gone, but in working condition DNBS should constant after pressing power switch na. But in this board, what we are getting, when we press power switch, see on multimeter, DNB is on, come and gone, again come, gone. Okay. Now RSM reset pin number 95, 92, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. See 95, RSM reset, again switch off and again power on. Now see on multimeter, RSM reset, 1.10 is low. Again I'm gonna show you RSM reset. See 1.8, it should be 3 volt no? In working condition. RSM reset should be 3 volt, but in my board it's 1.8 showing. Okay, this is the problem. So let's solve this problem. Okay, just follow the basic rules. Okay,
This is a paid content. If you want to purchase, contact on the given number. Thank you.
no display. Getting on, taking ampere, display. Okay, thank you.